everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's house tour, we will be featuring this 4-bedroom, 2-story modern design residential located in between City of San Fernando, Pampanga and Angeles City. So doon pa lang, location pa lang, panalo ka na. Paano pa na it is also in close proximity to schools, malls, groceries, and other business establishment. Kaya before po natin umpisahan, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your Josena, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. We're back. Ayan, dito na tayo sa harap, and as you can see, sa frontage pa lang niya, no? Usually kasi yung mga bahay, so pag sa may labas, 'di ba? Medyo masikip na dito going to the mismo daanan, but this one sobrang spacious niya pa sa harap. No? You have simple landscaping. This is your parking area. It is good for 2 SUV vehicles. Ayan, and then kung mapapansin niyo yung fence natin, again, it's not just plain painted wall, you have materials here, tiles, and as you can see, this is a freestanding post. Ayan, so buhos po yan. And meron din tong, aside from aesthetic, yung design na to, it allows air to pass through, kaya presko. And ito na, of course, matchy-matchy yung inyong service gate or entrance gate sa iyong gate, carport. Ayan, you have linear black metal. At pagpasok mo, this is your wide porch. Oh, these are wood panels. Una, naisip ko baka mamaya fluted panels, but these are wood panels. Ayan, this is our wide window which has reflective clear glass window. It helps to cool down yung property sa loob because, ayan nga, yung rays of the sun doesn't go through the window, but magbabounce siya because it's reflective clear glass windows. That's very wide pa yung window natin. Tignan mo yung porch natin, no, di ba? And then elevated siya, of course, for the grand design niya. Parang mas grand siyang tignan pag elevated siya. Dito ang ating 2-car carport. So for the info earlier, 2 SUV vans, perfect size siya for this one. Ayan, so kung cars, of course, pwede rin. Maluwang pa pag may cars. And ayan, mapapansin nyo, it's fully covered. Protection for your vehicles. Well-lighted. Meron tayong mga pin lights dyan. Ang ganda kasing tignan ng mga pebbles na yan. Pag in person, it looks very classy. Alright, so this way, not yet done. So may mga idadagdag pa. Mention ko later yung mga iba pang idadagdag. So for this one, of course, inaayos pa yan. This is actually your service area, laundry area, or your dirty kitchen din. At I'll show this further later. Kaya, pumasok na muna tayo. I forgot to mention that this property is semi-furnished. So expect, no, furniture and mga iba pang details. Pag akyat natin, this is your solid door. You also have your LED wall lamps that really gives emphasis to the wall na black, and then tapos yung ilaw. Pag tinatamaan, alam ko ano to eh. Ay, hindi siya. Sabi ko, alam ko adjustable to, pero look, oh, so nice na. Alright, pasok na tayo. Excited ako kasi ang ganda dito. Oh, wow. This is your living. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, it's nice eh. So, everything you see during our house tours included. Siyempre, kasama dyan yung gorgeous natin. Custom-made sala set natin. Ayan. So, may protection pa siya. So, as you can see, sa magiging buyer natin. Ayan. Protected po ang ating mga furniture. Meron pa nga yung mga stools dito eh. Diba? So, we have 4 stools dyan. No, hindi lang yan for design, but also you can also use that. And yung mga displays na nakita nyo, those are also included. You also have a carpet, your center table, and your gorgeous chandelier, center light. Ayan, the aircon is included as well. And I just want to mention, ayan, meron kang designed wood dito. But of course, ano yan ha, cement yan. Wall yan na merong lang design na accent dito. And then, your fluted panels. At kung nakikita mo to, 60 inches TV po, you can mount it there. No, if you want it mounted or if you want it na nakatayo dito, you have your ample space for your TV. Your drop ceiling shows your cove lights perfectly. Pin lights, ayan. Aircon, gusto ko yung position ng aircon natin. Yung socket here, you have more decorations here. And what I like about it pa pala, dalawa pala yung mirror, dalawa pa pala yung window natin. Kasi from here, kanina hindi ko na-mention nung nasa carport tayo. Ayan. So, I'll close the door. Meron ka window dito, meron ka window dito. So, from your living area, you can see yung pumasok. And also, you have a view of your cars dito. May storages ka rin dito. Ayan. Storage here. Meron kang shelves dyan. This one. Drawers. Ayan. So, nice ang carpet. Very nice. Tapos yung sa accent niya, no, parang marble type. Okay, so few steps from your living area. This is your formal kitchen. At favorite ko to. Your pantry, your kitchen island, / your breakfast nook. It has a sparkling white quartz waterfall countertop. Yan. Tapos meron ka lang stools. 3 stools ang included at very stylish. These are custom made din. Kaya mapapansin nyo yung fabric niya dyan, fabric niya dun sa dining, fabric niya dun sa living area. They're the same. Kaya ang ganda-gandang tingnan. Plus, of course, you have your white na medyo industrial designed na drop lights. Ang ganda ng design, more of like a Scandinavian design siya. Pero dahil may mga black tayo, kaya hindi natin siya in-intro as a Scandinavian. Kasi may mga lumalabas tayong mga black, which are actually accent ng mga industrial design. Cooktop and range hood are both included. Tignan mo naman yan. You have a view of your carport. This is your sparkling white quartz countertop, socket, cabinets. This is so nice kasi, ayan, nilagyan na nila ng design. But if you want to put like mga snacks dito, meron siyang ilaw. So very, very cute. You have your double bowl, stainless steel sink. At ang color niya, metal gun color, and you have the silver. So nice. Those are included as well. Meron ka ng drainer din dyan. Yes, you have cabinets here din. Oh, soft close. Ang cabinets po natin, these are modular cabinets. Kaya, ayan. Very slick ang kanilang pagkakagawa. Very malinis, neat. So, all those are working. Some kasi parang, they just show na parang cabinet, but it's not. But these are all cabinets. Okay, you have wines, pwede dyan. This is a provision for your refrigerator. Spacious, di ba? Double door na mga refrigerator. Soft close, of course, yan. And now, dito tayo sa ating dining area. Isa to sa mga paborito ko rin dahil sa kanyang chandelier or drop light. This is your dining area. 6-seater dining area or dining set. There you go. This is made of glass. Tapos design niya sa baba, you have a wood, very stylish wood stand for your table. Again, these are custom made. So meron lang siya may cover lang siya. But when you sit dito, very comfortable talaga siya. Okay, parang gusto kong unahin yung kanina kung saan tayo nag-intro. Hinahanap niyo yun for sure. So this is actually, we have a lot of comments na yung mga properties that they want, instead of having a pool, they want to have a garden. So this property is for you. So, ito yung lanay. And sa yung lanay, you already have, ayan, clear glass window. So, hindi mainit sa dining mo. No? From your dining, your lanay, this is your garden. Dito tayo nag-intro kanina. Ganda, di ba? Oh. Ayan, para mas makita na lang nila. There. So, this is your garden. If you want to add more plants, you can still add more plants. But, as you can see, ang ganda na ng pagkaka-landscape niya. Tapos, pakita ko na yung banda dito. Yung dito yung iyong wash area. Tignan mo naman, maluwang. Di ba? Kasi yung mga usual, hindi naman ganyan kaluwang eh. Laundry area. This is your service area, your dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen. Ang haba din niya. And, white quartz countertop pa rin ang gamit natin. So, if ever that you want to cook here, yan, yung splashboard mo, madaling linisan. You have your socket. You have double bowl, stainless steel sink, no, silver color. And these are your cabinets, of course. Soft close pa rin siya. These are also cabinets, so functioning na. Modular din to, oh. Ang ganda. Pati service kitchen mo, modular ang cabinets. Ay, grabe naman. And yung taas niya, no, hindi siya yung mababa. So, it's really high yung ceiling niya. And ito yung door going to your dining area and your kitchen. So, dito na tayo pumasok. Okay. Ayan, nakita na natin. From there, mas maganda. Patignan mo yung view, parang magazine. Okay. Bago tayo umakyat, this property has 4 bedrooms. So, ang first bedroom yan nasa ground floor. And this is your first bedroom. Spacious. And it has a view of your garden. Ayan. Meron kang vanity area here. Ito. This can be your vanity area, your study area. So, depende kung sino gumagamit. The aircon is included. You can still put a queen-size bed. But kung gusto mo pang mas marami kang space at may mga gusto ka pang ilagay, a family size is perfect. And look at the closet. Oh, di ba? Usually, yung mga built-in cabinets lang, just plain. Di ba? This one, so ilalagay pa yung sabitan. Soft close din. So, from here, kita mo na, yun yung gusto kong suotin. Di ba? Clear glass siya. Ang ganda nito. Ayan. From here, ayan, dito tayo. Dito tayo. Aircon is included. At dito, bababa tayo for you to see our first bathroom, which is actually nasa first floor. Ang ganda nito, parang hotel feels talaga. Pagpasok mo, yung sink mo, your lavatory sink, ayan, di ba? Maglalagay pa ng mirror dito. So, all our bathrooms during our house tour, wala pa yung mga vanity mirror natin, but lahat po, lalagyan niya ng vanity mirror. Very nice. And the undermount sink, meron kang storage dito, storage here, and then, andito na yung toilet, shower area, metallic gun-colored stainless steel shower set. Okay, paglabas natin, ito ang ating staircase. So, as you can see, wood handrail, with metal and glass railings. Kaya, akit na tayo para sa ating mga bedrooms. And ayan, natatawa ako. So this is your landing. Ayan. From your landing, you can see sa iyong ceiling, you have wood. Ang ganda ng wood design kasi darker color yung wood. And meron tayong mga spotlight instead of a chandelier. Kwento ko lang, nahulog ako kanina dito. Kaya tried and tested. The landing is safe. Nahulog ako dahil yes, I'm wearing my heels again. Ayan. Ayan yung photo. Ayan. Yan yung photo na nahulog kanina. At it's so safe kasi kanina nung tapilok ako, na-catch ako dito. So, sobrang safe ko. Alam mo yon. So, worst comes to worst naman yun. But, we're not thinking about that. Kasi, yung mga step actually, they're very spacious para sa isang paa. Ako lang talaga yung palpak kanina. Tingnan mo naman siya, Pang nga siya pang pageant kasi hindi siya ganun kataas Kaso talagang tiis ganda Alright? So there. Tapos pakita ko to, kasi you can put shoes here, linen. Diba? Ang ganda talaga nitong may ganyan dito. So tignan mo pag umakyat ka, diba? Very safe yung paa mo. Palpakan naman kasi itong sa ENA. Alright. Pag akyat natin, ang bubulaga sa'yo is this console. The console of your family area. Diba? Ang ganda. Alam mo talaga, Scandinavian talaga. Ganda. And then, your drop light, your center light. Ayan. You can mount your TV here. Pwede rin nakataas lang dyan. You have a place for your, frames or whatever you want to put there. Nice. At ito ang yung balcony. You can extend your family area, which has a view of your beautiful garden. Diba? And ang ganda pa ng fence mo. You can put a coffee table here. You can have your breakfast here. Or you can have your breakfast doon sa baba. Pwede rin. You can see your kids play or, mga bisita. Pwede rin doon. Yeah. And your clear glass window still, ayan. Reflective clear glass window din tayo. Alright, pasok na tayo. At pagpasok natin, first bedroom. Wow! Ang spacious naman ng bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom na may view ng garden. And, ayan, meron ka ng curtains. Tapos, ang window mo is wide. Diba? Queen-size bed will fit perfectly here also. You have your cabinets. Drawers. Soft close. May space ka pa dito. If you want to put a study table, a dresser, pwede rin. And this one, ayan, you can mount your TV here. May mga sakat ka na dyan. Aircon is included. So, this is your first bedroom sa second floor. Next, dito tayo sa second bedroom natin sa second floor. Spacious din siya, but the difference is, yung isa, more on square type siya. This one, para rectangular siya. No? Ito yung inyong cabinet. Same design nung kanina. Pin lights. Oh no, these are spotlight. You have your center light there. Tapos paglakad mo dito, you already have your own balcony. Aircon is included. So, meron kang balcony dito. This one is for your master's bedroom. Mamaya ko napapakita yan. But ang view mo dito, so here you can see, ayan, makikita mo yung entrance gate. Let's go. Ay, ang ganda naman ng ano natin. Okay, emphasize ko yung wall. Not just a plain painted wall, meron kang material. Alam mo kung bakit mas maganda siya than our regular plain painted wall? Kasi, meron siyang additional na ididikit. Diba? So, when you put tiles, parang additional, ano yun eh. Aside from design, may protection also, yung ano, ilalagay mo siyang ganyan, diba? So, from floor to ceiling tayo, tapos may wood accent din tayo dito. Wood panels, ang ganda. Contrast lang siya ng dalawang clear colored tiles again, but this time it's gray. Ayan, pasok na tayo. Okay. Of course, you have your common bathroom. Uy, ang ganda ng bathroom. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga bathroom nila kasi sobrang aesthetic. This is your lavatory sink. Of course, it's under mount. Stainless steel yung faucet natin. Maglalagay po tayo ng vanity mirror dito as we mentioned earlier. Meron kang storage here. These are included. May shelf ka dyan. You can put speaker dyan kung gusto mo ng speaker dito sa bathroom. You have your toilet, your bidet, and of course, your enclosed shower area na very spacious. Your stainless steel black shower set. You have your rain shower, you have your hand, what do you call this? Sprinkler head. Yan. Tapos meron kang, meron ka pang mini shower. Hand spray. Hand spray, your top spray, and your rain shower. Okay. Now, finally, pasok na tayo sa ating master bedroom. This is your master bedroom. At bago ko pakita yung view dito. Diba, sobrang spacious dito. May space ka pa dyan. You have your TV area dito. Siyempre, ito pwede mong i-move sa taas or sa side. You can mount your TV here. Pwedeng nakatayo. And you still have space here. At this is your CCTV area. Yes, CCTV cameras are included po sa ating price. And as you can see, tignan mo naman, meron ka ng, diba? Parang may room din yung CCTV area natin. Okay. Your master's bedroom, ito yung kaninang balcony sa kabila na nakikita nyo. This is your, alam mo, kanina lang nandun, hindi ko naisip na ganito siya kaluwang. Ang luwang niya pala. Oh. Hindi lang coffee table lang kasya dito, isang dining set. Diba? Pwede siya sa 4-seater. Maluwang pa siya sa 4-seater. Tapos L-shape siya. Dito yung ating L, ganda oh. Yan, dito ka pwede maglagay ng a simple corner, rattan swing, pwede. Okay, from here, makikita nyo yung view ng ating master's bedroom. Ayan, oh. This is your master bedroom. Ayan, you have a queen, I think it's a queen size bed. So whatever you see during our house is included, that is included. Tapos meron ka pang may stool ka pa dito. And look at your side lamp. No, it's not your usual side lamp na meron kang side table, but your side lamps are hanging. Very spacious. All right. That is included. Of course, the bed frame is included. Look at your center light. The aircon is included. Oh! So, parang linear yung kanyang walk-in closet. Para mas maluwang. But, mas marami kang mailalagay. See? Girls, for your dresses, for your gowns, perfect yung kanyang size. Hindi mo siya itutupi. Nice. Tapos itong mga shelves natin, may ilaw. You want to put your bags there, your collection. Wonderful. Look at that. Ang ganda. Soft close din siya. And from there, so may door naman dito, no? But if you want it na nakabukas, pwede naman. This is your master bathroom. At of course, maglalagay tayo ng mirror dito. You have your fluted panels dyan. For design lang, under mount, ang ating sink. It's working. May decorations ka pa dyan. You have your storage, shelves, and of course, ang luwang pa dito, oh. You can put your here, yung pang towel. Toilet and your bidet, and your enclosed shower area. Spacious pa siya, guys. Sasara ko para makita niyo kung gaano siya ka-spacious. Diba? There. And yung height niya, mataas din. Your shower, wow, ang ganda ng color ng shower area. Na shower set natin. Hindi siya metallic gun. Ang color niya parang parang ash blonde. Ash blonde. Tapos ang color niya, it's not the same as the one to sa kabila. Right. So this is your sprinkler head. Tapos meron kang hand spray. Or no, this is your hand spray, this is your top spray, and this is your shower, your rain shower. Nice. Your niche. Meron ka rin dyan. And, ayan. Ang flooring natin, of course, very, textured ang ating tiles, kaya hindi siya madulas. Kaya habang lumalakad tayo palabas ng ating master bedroom, baba na tayo para sa ating recap. Let's go! And we're back for our recap. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-star modern design property. At it is located in between Angeles City and the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. It is in close proximity to other business establishments, and you have like a quick drive going to schools, groceries, supermarket, hospitals, and also an access going to Koreatown and Clark International Airport. There you go. Aside from that, this property is also semi-furnished. This property is already open. Pwedeng-pwede nyo na po itong i-view, and also this property is available for tripping. Especially yung furniture natin, these are custom made. So alam na alam mo na pinag-isipan talaga. Hindi lang yung mga furniture but also the details. Ayan, may mga accent tayo dyan, mga displays tayo. Everything you see there, our house tour, these are all included. Ayan, kaya if you are interested, this is already open for viewing, for tripping. You can message us on Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, our Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, our TikTok account, BP Pampanga. You can please follow us on TikTok. And also, you can also follow me on TikTok to book your trippings. You can book your trippings there kasi I post some teasers sa TikTok ng mga sneak preview lang ng property. So you can also book your trippings there. That is Ella Lalo. This is my TikTok account. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Ayan, you can message me on Instagram for your tripping. And also, I would like to say thank you to, of course, TJ Photography. Thank you po, Sir Darwin. And sino pa ba? Pierce Me More. Ayan, Pierce Me More. I had my date piercing with Pierce Me More. Please follow them on Instagram. Ayan. And also, Miss Christy. Hello kay Miss Christy from YOU sa Ayala Marquee. Also, we would like to say thank you sa ating mga subscribers. Thank you so much for your kind suggestions. Ayan. Thank you kasi your kind words are very much valued by our team. Thank you so much. Shout out po sa ating mga subscribers. Naku, nakalimutan ko yung list ko. So, bawi na lang ako. Naaalala ko sina Sir Arshus, sina Sir, ano ba yun? Fox Eye. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. And also, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga, where your house speaks. Four-story. 4-bedroom pala. Wow, ang taas naman. Isama nyo pa ang accessibility nitong, wait lang. Tama ba yung term ko? Accessibility? Ay, nawala. Okay. Ay! Sir, sorry. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Ang ganda.